Today we're going to be using this fine American plywood, some basic tools to create this award for Mr. WhistlinDiesel, and I had a friend even create a little certificate of outstanding achievement, but let's see how that was made first. We need to get rid of this first, so let's use some proper tools for it. And I think it's some kind of a fridge thing cover. I don't know what you call this here in America, but let's bend that off first. Alright, this sign means a lot to me, so we're gonna make it real nice. Now before we do the second coat, normally I would roll this with chalkboard paint and it comes out really nice, but I want to give it a little Chernobyl flair, give it a little distressed textured look, so let's see. So this is kind of what it looks like now. I considered using a tree, but I don't think I want to start doing that to my tree yet. I'm not quite at that level, so let's spray it again. Background for the WhistlinDiesel, but I think red was going to be my first choice because that's, I know, his favorite color. That's why the Raptor is red. Hellcat is red. I think in the honor of the worldly good that he provided, which is destroying that ugly squatted truck. Let's paint it in a color similar to that, but better. Finished, all put together, came out really nice. I think it's a worthy award of saving us from the squatted trucks. And my friend Eric made the, actually let's insert the clip of him off-roading. If he ever goes on YouTube, we'll call him the off-roading pastor. But he made this up with some words from Theodore Roosevelt. Came out really great. I love it. And since mostly I know Cody is dealing with trucks, but since Honda wasn't really a pickup, well, actually technically the Hellcat wasn't a pickup or wasn't a truck either. So I think we can ask to destroy a cambered car next. Wouldn't everybody agree with that? But thanks you guys for watching. Great success, and we'll build something next time.